let's go to two stands that I think you need. I mean, really, one would be a great start, but I think you just need two of them. It's the same stand. It's right here. This stand, much like the tripod, the legs come out to the side. A lot of stands, the legs come out like this at an angle, and I think that eventually it doesn't have as much stability as you hope because it becomes top heavy because of the light, because of the camera, the heavy lenses. So a stand that goes down like this gives us so much more stability. It is from Newer. It is linked down below, and I bought it for a videographer for a client that I'm creative directing for, and I wanted to ask him how it was. I did, and he's like, "Oh my god, it is amazing." So he was my gopher, and I tried it out on him. I'm gonna buy myself a couple, and I'm also recommending it to you. The last one I want to tell you about is where's my wallet? Okay. In my wallet is an AirTag. The AirTags from Apple are pretty great, okay? And they're pretty affordable. But if you ask for them, also ask for batteries because the Apple ones lasted me about a year, but just get yourself a backup one. The beautiful thing about this, it should be common sense, is that you will be at a wedding and you're like, oh my God, where is this other bag? Get a tag for every single bag. Come in a multi-pack. You look and you're like, oh, it's in my car, thank God. Okay, because I also have an AirTag in my car, so I know exactly where I park. So if they're together like that, then I know something is in my car. I put an AirTag in my camera bag, in my wallet, different places. I've even put an AirTag on my godson. I'm not losing nobody's kid. AirTags are so good to protect all your gear because you can have all this. And if someone takes it, man, that sucks. Okay. So get yourself that, ask for an AirTag. It may not be something that somebody gets you automatically, but you're going to remind them. But wait. Okay. So the official list is done, but can I show you a few extra things? Okay. And I'll link to those too. Let me tell you, the film that comes out of this one is so good, and it comes out of the Fuji Instax wide camera. Actually, let's show you some photos that I took with this camera. This one was for the MTV Movie Awards for Taylor Zakar Perez, and it was kind of like a cool. You'll see it. There's a few on screen. It just has such a beautiful look. So film cameras are amazing, and it's a great ask. And then people are like, "What do you want?" And you're like, "You know what? I know I'm getting like a Fuji Instax camera, so can I please get some boxes of films?" This is about $8 to $10. So if someone wants to buy you one, someone wants to buy a whole bunch of them, such a good gift. Another thing that I want you to get is a Helio. If ever you like a constellation prize, like, oh, this is such a beautiful, beautiful lens. The Helio is like a Russian lens, is vintage, and if you have a Canon, I know you love a good bokeh. So, this is just beautiful bokeh, and comes with like an adapter. It has like the spherical type of bokeh. Okay, so here's something else. Battery packs. Really, really, really worth it. I just saw my hard drive. Hard drive, SSD hard drives. Really great to ask for. This one is 2 terabytes. Listen, you need it, so ask for the one or two, and then they're amazing, and they're very, very small. I mean, this is how small they are to the box. They fit in your pocket. They're very thin, and it's SSD. I do like them. If someone's like, I what can I buy you under $15 or $20? Step up rings, so good. Look at the lens sizes that it has. So I have an ND filter. I have an adjustable ND filter. It's an expensive one. I do like it a lot. I'm gonna open it, and it fits perfectly for my 2470 lens. Now that sucks. If I have a 50 millimeter lens, it's just not going to fit. So how that comes into play is I will put the ND filter on. There you go. So it fits. Now, depending on the camera size, so it fits right there. Depending on the camera size, let's say my camera is 43 millimeter to 52 millimeter, I will just unscrew that, take it out, put that on my 50 millimeter lens, and now that ND filter works for any and all lens sizes. This is one of the best gifts that you can ask for, get, give, etc. So I hope that this helped you.